Okay, so I got a new Wera bit set. Now, it's been quite a while since I've bought a new Wera bit set. As you can tell here, just by the color of this portion here, this is one of your older sets here. So this one is the BC30 Zyklop Mini 2, 31 piece. So why did I want this? Well, let's take a look at what I've got. I've got these little bit sets here. Now this one here, this is the BC30 metal one. This comes with a full array of bits here, as you can see. I think this must be S2 steel. I'm not really sure. And then it comes with this little magnetic bit holder here. Another bit set I bought was this. This is the BC30 diamond one, where this is the metal one. This one is the diamond one. You pull this down, and here you go. These are all diamond encrusted tips here with this little torsion zone in the middle. But the difference is this one comes with this little wrap adapter, which is a lot nicer. I mean, you can buy these wrap adapters on their own. They're like $15 to $16. So adding the wrap adapter in here is very nice. Now, these are about twice as much as these. These are $50. These are almost $100. So they are very expensive. They're supposed to last a lot longer than normal bits. I have never used this. I keep it in my tool bag, but I've also got some Weehaw bits in there that I've been using, but I have got to use these to check them out. All of these, like you hit this, are 1-inch bits right here. And the diamond encrusted tip's supposed to have less slip and last a lot longer. Now, I also have this small one here. This is the BC7 Universal 3. It's just got 6 bits and a little magnetic bit holder. Perfect for just little small jobs. I keep this in that small tool bag. It's perfect for that. Now, let's talk about handles here. Now, on these, this is the Bit Check tool. This is the Tool Check Plus. I have got 2 of these. I got the Tool Check Plus and I've got the Tool Check Imperial here on the bottom, as you can see. Same exact thing. Well, I say same exact thing. It's really not the same exact thing, and I'll show you why. On this Tool Check Plus, this is the one that has your metric sockets here. So on this one, you pull it down. You got a full array of bits here, just like this Imperial, but these 5 over here are the diamond encrusted bits. So, these wear a little bit longer, like I said on these. The only thing I don't see in here is the color coding like they have, but I looked and it's the same number on here that's on here, so I'm sure they're the same bits. If you go to the Imperial, you don't have that. You just got regular bits. Now, so same amount of bits and everything, but you don't get those gold bits on this Imperial for some reason. Both of them have these very small handles here. Tiny little handles. Now, on this one, this is the Wera Tool Check. It's got 3 sockets on here, where this one had 7 sockets. This one's only got 3. But I'll tell you why I like this one better. You can pull it up. You get the handle out. Now, it comes with a little bit larger handle. This is the 815 handle, and the smaller one is the 813 handle that comes in your typical Tool Check Plus. So this is a lot more manageable. It's still small, but I mean, it's like 50% larger than this 813. So that's a good plus to have in here. Another reason I like this is if you pull it down, these are all on the front here, 2-inch bits, which are really nice. In the back, you got your 1-inch bits. But here, you can put this in your handle here. Now look at that size ratchet versus this small ratchet you get on the Tool Check Plus. Right? You can work with this. So you put this in, and that's a nice little ratchet right there. It comes, of course, with the little socket adapter where you can put your sockets on here. Just very nice. Now, let's get those off. Let's look at this one. Now, this one is your modular tool check. So this is the modular one, and this is the micro one. Won't talk about that, but right now, this is a modular one. It's basically exactly like your tool check here, except you got 1 extra ratchet. But if you open it up, the top up here just folds down. This lays out. Now you still have 2-inch bits here, 1-inch bits on the back, but the difference here is I replaced this with this handle. This is the 838 RAS. The RAS stands for ratcheting. So it's the same size as the 815, as you can see, but it's ratcheting. So that's a nice little handle you can buy to add to any of these kits. And like look at here, it fits in perfect. It may hang down just a little bit lower than this, but really never has affected anything. So let's take a look at this one now. This one is your BC30 Zyklop Mini 2. This is the new one. Oh, comes with a little catalog. It comes with this little sticker here. Now, I haven't bought these sets in quite a while, but I guess this opens. Oh yeah, okay. So now these open this up, and you got a full array of bits here. The good thing about this one is there is no small little handle. I've always got a handle in my bag, so it's not a big deal to me. Got some kind of bit holding handle. But what you do get with this one is this, the wrap adapter here. And I really love this wrap adapter, and I'll tell you why. You pull it up, and this thing just sits in, goes down. It's locked in. As soon as you want to replace it, you pull it up, and it's ready to receive your next one, which locks it in. I tell you, I love these wrap adapters. This is one of my favorite. The only downside is it's a little bit bigger here than a lot of the smaller magnetic ones. But I tell you, for holding, you can't beat this. Now this one also comes with the exact same ratchet as your typical Tool Check Plus. Nothing to talk about there. The exact same. Little thumb wheel, the little lever here for forward and reverse. Same exact ratchet. So if all you need is some bits, and you could use this like a stubby, of course. You don't need the handle, and you don't need the sockets. I mean, I typically don't need sockets. I'm always carrying something like this. This is a hyper tough socket rail. You know, it goes from 8 to 13. They also make SAE socket rails in this. Makita makes them. There's a lot of different people that are making these little 1/4 inch. This one also comes with a 1/4 inch adapter. I don't know where it is. I was using it and, you know, never did put it back for some reason. But I could easily find another one of those and put on here. So that's it, guys. Like I said, now still my favorite, of course, is this Zet. If you've been watching this channel, you know this is my favorite. You got your 2-inch, you got your 1-inch, you got your wrap adapter est, like a wrap adapter like. But these also hold in very strong. The only thing I don't like about it is a small little handle, as usual. On this one you get 6. On the Tool Check Plus you get 7 sockets. But I tell you, these Zet are very high quality. But we're talking about Wera, and that is my newest acquisition from Wera. It's the, what is this called again? Let's take a look. It's the BC30 Zyklop Mini 2. That's it, guys. We'll see you on the next one.